Welcome to the performance analysis of your job advertisements. To successfully manage your recruiting strategy, it is essential to understand the candidate's journey in detail, from the first impression to the final application. In our dashboard, we make this entire process completely transparent for you. Together, we will now look at how we measure visibility, interest, and success, and how we use your budget efficiently. Let's jump straight into the system. First, let's take a look at the impressions. This is the absolute foundation of your marketing funnel. Every time your ad appears on a potential talent screen, it counts as one impression. We distinguish here between organic reach via Google search and paid visibility through Google Ads. A key metric here is the CPM, cost per mil, which shows us how much it costs to reach 1,000 potential candidates. When visibility turns into genuine interest, clicks are generated. A click means that a candidate has actively opened your ad. Here too, we analyze whether this curiosity was sparked by our ads or through an organic search. A central value in this process is the CPC, or cost per click. It's important to know that this value is not a fixed figure. It varies significantly depending on the industry, region, and current competition. A high click-through rate tells us that your job title and preview speak the exact language of your target group. Since the definition of a good rate varies depending on the market environment, we always evaluate performance individually within the context of your specific market. Our 5-second check is also particularly exciting. We measure exactly what percentage of users view the ad for longer than 5 seconds. This is a great indicator of whether applicants are seeing exactly what they were looking for. If this rate is low, it's a sign that we need to take a closer look at the keywords and the content of the job ad. The goal of every campaign, of course, is the application. In your statistics, we track this success based on the application method you previously defined for your position. If you chose the quick application, all data collected via our mobile-optimized form is included here. This is especially effective for candidates who find you via smartphone. If you selected the redirect option instead, the system tracks exactly how many potential talents were led directly to your own career page. During this process, we measure the conversion rate. How many clicks actually lead to an application? We break down exactly whether the application came from a Google ad or via organic search. Finally, let's look at the costs. Absolute clarity prevails here. We strictly separate the pure advertising budget, which flows directly into reach on Google, and the base fee for our technology and automatic optimization. With these insights, you are perfectly equipped to steer your recruiting success with precision. We use this data every day to further optimize your campaigns and find the best talent for your team. If you have any questions about your specific results, our team is always here to support you. Thank you for trusting us with your recruitment. Let's find your next top talent together.